One of the things I worry most about is that in biomedicine, so both in academia and biotech and pharma, there is massive, massive duplication. There are so many of us working on the same idea in parallel, in secret, and we know that most of these ideas, when we take them into the clinic, they will fail. 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, they fail. Now, if there's 20 groups working on the same target, if one of them fails, it's likely the other 19 are going to fail as well. Now, that is a horrendous waste of money. It's also a waste of people's careers, but it's a monumental waste of patience. So I think we need to reduce that duplication. I think that's particularly important. I mean, if I think of, say, the global pot of money for biomedicine, I don't think that pot of money is going to grow. Governments can't afford it, pharmaceutical companies can't afford it. So if we want to deliver more drugs with the same pot of money, we need to make that pot more efficient. And, and I think, duplication is an issue. I think if we should collaborate a lot more. In the UK, we're fortunate, we've got lots of major infrastructures that the government and some of the major funders in their infinite wisdom have funded over the past several years. So I'm thinking of things like UK Biobank or Genome England or the Sanger Centre or the Catapults and now the Crick Institute, etc. These are major resources, and the UK has taken a leadership in these areas. And now, of course, the UK government with 5 pharma companies and Alzheimer's Research UK, they've set up this Dementia Discovery Fund. They're also going to create this Dementia Research Institute, which they will announce in a few weeks' time, etc. These are major leadership initiatives by the UK government, and I think we should applaud that. But now we need to capitalize on them, capitalize on all that expertise, all that resource, all that data, all that knowledge to try and generate new drugs for patients.